Good morning to everyone. We are here in the island of El Hierro, and we are watching one of the giant landslides that is between the three dorsals that are at an angle of 120 degrees, and there is the big landslide to the north that is called El Golfo, and this is the other smaller one in the opposite direction that is called Las Playas. Today is not a very good day, but you can see all the lava flows and pyroclastic cones interbedded, and down in the sea you can see the shape of the embayment of the landslide embayment. In the very front, far in the distance, you can see a bit of the island of La Gomera.
So, Juan Carlos, when did this landslide occur, the Las Playas landslide here?
It's not very well constrained, but definitely it's more than 300,000 years old.
And this is only a partial collapse, isn't that right?
It is a partial collapse because actually there is a fall that indicates the aborted collapse far to the northeast. And we understood that this landslide has a very, very fast friction because there is a special mineral is called tacholites. That is a kind of mineral made when the temperature of friction is high enough to melt the rock.
Yes, it's a glass, and you find that in the San Andres fault that is further.
Fault that is really the other part of the collapse that stayed without actually collapsing.
If my information is correct, Juan Carlos, then there is also a submarine deposit offshore here.
Well, I don't know. Well, this is in the north of in the El Golfo. In the Golfo, the British people made marine geophysical sonar, and they discovered big pieces of El Golfo, bigger than a high building, that preserve even the lava flows configuration. And these are pieces of the giant landslide that went all the way to the north, equivalent to several cubic kilometers in volume.
So, do you think there will be another landslide here on the island very soon?
No, it's not probably, because actually there is no. I think the island has recovered the equilibrium, the gravitational equilibrium after these two landslides. So it's very improbable that at least in several 100,000 years, which is a lot of time. But maybe you're right, because El Hierro actually is an infant island. It's an island that is starting to grow now. Probably in millions of years will be bigger than the island of Tenerife, for instance. And in this geological history, many things will happen, and probably more landslide, as you said.
I think so, but hopefully that will be in the far distant geological future.
For us, it's
not relevant for us today. Thank you very much.
We are using human time that has nothing to see with the geological time.
Thank you very much, Juan Carlos.
Okay.